All right, welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're jumping right into one of the biggest, most annoying friction points in our new AI-powered world. We're in this agentic era, right? We're using tons of different specialized AI tools. But man, getting them all up to speed on who we are and what we need, it's a constant nagging problem. So let's talk about a really powerful solution. I mean, let's be real for a second. Does this sound familiar? You find this incredible new AI agent, you get all excited, and then, boom, you're stuck spending the next 20 minutes explaining your job, what projects you're on, your specific communication style. And you have to do this for every single one. It's a huge pain, and it's a total barrier to actually getting stuff done. And you know what? There's a perfect name for this problem: the context repetition tax. And I love framing it this way because it's not just some small annoyance, it's a real cost. It's a tax on your time, it's a tax on your focus, and ultimately it's a tax on the quality of the results you get back from these AIs. And believe me, this tax isn't just some small fee we pay every now and then. Nope, it's a major obstacle. And what's crazy is that as we start using more and more powerful specialized AI agents, this problem actually gets worse. It scales in exactly the wrong direction, becoming a bigger and bigger headache. So what's the real damage here? Well, it's kind of like a domino effect. First, and this is the obvious one, it just wastes your valuable time. Second, because you're probably rushing through the explanation, you inevitably leave out key details, which means the AI's output isn't as good as it could be. Third, it actually creates product lock-in. I mean, the thought of re-explaining everything to a new tool is so exhausting. You just stick with what you've got, even if something way better comes along. And finally, as we move into a world with dozens, maybe hundreds of these agents, this whole process just completely breaks down. It's just not sustainable. And look, this isn't just a personal headache for you and me. It's a massive challenge at the enterprise level too. There's this great quote from Michael Chen at Applied Compute, and he just nails it. He says, "The gap between we have data and we have data in a format that an AI system can learn from is enormous. It surprises everyone." And that right there, that gets to the absolute core of the data problem every single AI deployment faces. Okay, so we've all agreed the problem is real, and it's a big one. So what's the solution? Well, it turns out to be an incredibly elegant and powerful idea. What if you could create a personal operating manual for you? Something any AI could just read. And that operating manual has a name: the Personal Context Portfolio. It's the direct answer to that annoying context repetition tax we were talking about. It's a single, portable, machine-readable version of you. And the best analogy for this, I mean, this is just perfect, is to think of it like API documentation, but for a person, right? It's a structured, clear, standardized way for any AI to understand who you are and how you work, just like it would for a piece of software. It's brilliant. And the whole thing is built on 4 really smart design principles. First up, it's Markdown first. Why? Because that's the universal language for AI context. Every model can read it. Second, it's modular, not just one giant file. This is key. It means an agent only grabs the specific piece of info it needs. Third, it's a living document. It's not static. It evolves as you do, and your agents can even help you update it. And maybe most importantly, it's portable. We're talking a simple folder of files you can take with you anywhere, to Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, you name it. Okay, so you might be wondering what actually goes inside this portfolio. Let's take a look at the blueprint. The whole template is basically broken down into about 10 key parts of your professional life. And this is what makes the whole concept so tangible. You've got files like identity.md, that's your core summary, the one file an AI should read if it reads nothing else. Then there's currentprojects.md, which is probably the one you'll update most often. And then there are really cool ones like communicationstyle.md. This one helps the AI's output actually sound more like you. Maybe you prefer bullet points and a more formal tone. You just put it in there. And of course, domainknowledge.md, which tells the AI what you already know so it won't waste your time explaining the basic concepts in your own field back to you. So smart. So right about now, you might be thinking, wow, this sounds awesome, but it also sounds like a ton of work to set up. But here's the thing you got to remember. We live in the AI era now. You don't build this by hand. You build it the AI way. And this slide just shows the huge shift in how we can do this. The old way? You're staring at a blank page, trying to write your life story from scratch. It's daunting. The new way, you have an AI act as your build partner. It literally interviews you, asking really specific, targeted questions to pull out the exact information it needs for the portfolio. The whole creation process is just this simple, easy loop. First, the AI interviews you. It asks you a bunch of questions. Then, based on your answers, it drafts the content for all those different markdown files. Finally, you just review its work, give some feedback, and refine it. It's a totally collaborative process where the AI does like 90% of the heavy lifting. And the best part about all this, you can literally start doing this today. There's a public GitHub repository with all the templates for the files, and there's even a free app designed to just interview you and build your portfolio for you automatically. It's all out there right now. Okay, so you've built your portfolio. It's a folder of files on your computer. What's the next step? Well, this is where we move from a simple folder to a truly portable, live version of your personal context. The future of this idea is basically turning your portfolio into your own personal API. So imagine a secure server in the cloud that hosts your context. Now, any agent, as long as it has your permission, can instantly ping that server and get the latest, most up-to-date information it needs. This means every AI you use is always perfectly in sync with who you are and what you're working on in real time. And that brings us to the final, really powerful question. Just think about it. What if you never had to pay that context repetition tax ever again? What would you build? How much faster could you move? What kind of problems could you solve if every single AI tool you touched from the very first second already knew you? I mean, that's a future that's definitely worth building.